In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text horizontally and vertically in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can see the cells you want to format. Once you're in, decide where you want the text to appear centered. Click a single cell if you're working with just one, or click and drag to highlight a range. You can also hold Shift and click to extend a selection. If you select too much by accident, simply click again or drag to adjust. What matters is that the cells you want to affect are highlighted before you change the alignment. With your selection ready, look up at the toolbar across the top of the screen. Find the Horizontal Align button. It looks like a small icon, with several horizontal lines indicating left, center, and right alignment. Click that button to open a short menu, then choose Center. The moment you select Center, any text in your selected cells will move to the middle from left to right. This is great for titles, headers, or any values you want to present cleanly without hugging the left edge. Now let's take care of the vertical alignment so your text sits perfectly in the middle from top to bottom. Keep the same cells selected. On the toolbar, find the Vertical Align button. Its icon looks like stacked lines that represent top, middle, and bottom alignment. Click that, and then choose Middle. You'll see the text reposition itself vertically so it's centered within the height of each cell. Vertical centering is especially helpful when your rows are taller than the text or when a cell contains multiple lines. If your row height changes later, the text will remain vertically centered, keeping your sheet tidy and easy to read. This is particularly useful for header rows and labels, where a balanced look improves readability at a glance. A few quick tips as you work. You can apply these alignment settings before or after typing. The formatting sticks to the cells, so anything you enter later will automatically follow the alignment you chose. If you center a range that spans multiple rows and columns, the alignment applies to every cell in that selection. And if you ever want to go back, use the same alignment buttons to switch to left or right for horizontal, or top or bottom for vertical. You can also use undo if you change your mind right away. That's all it takes. By using the horizontal and vertical align buttons, you can center text in seconds and make your spreadsheets look cleaner, more professional, and easier to scan.